Today we'll show you how to do your new publish in your GitHub. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your GitHub and open your account here, and without anything, just now go to here to this plus, like create new. Okay, click and click new issue. Click and you can now choose like what you have a category. Okay, I did now example like 5M. Okay, like now cities events 5M documents or what we have. Okay, click this and maybe you can choose this is security, big problem, big report. You can choose anything. Okay, just big report, and here just put here a title like I have like a big problem, I think in script KB core. Okay guys, example just here you can a KB core don't working because I don't find example I don't know like client. Okay guys, clients, please help, only this. Okay, or you can do like fix something, like you do like a fix problem of KB core. Okay guys, example. Okay guys, okay, just now. Okay, example like this. Okay, you can do like this and what you have. Okay, now you can do 1 2 3 like this, like this, like this. Okay, you can here upload what you have, like anything. Like here you can like for crashing, it's crashing the 5M, like application has been crashing, or big script what you have. This is an area fx server 5M. Okay, I choose now 5M. I this like specific this is Windows. Okay, just now right here like hello guys, just you can hear just like what you have to add. Okay, like a bugs or something like that. Just now go now create more or something like that. It's now. Okay, just now click this and now click to create. Sorry guys, here problem. Now go to create, and finally we have now publish our problem. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.